direction to change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we.
Y'all, it is your girl Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good, safe, sanitized, you know, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pouring into the people that pour into you, because life is so short. And speaking of pour, y'all, we got a package. So I am super excited about the package that we received on today. And as you can tell by the title, it is a water bottle, but it's not just any water bottle. It is the smart water bottle that you need. And I'm so excited to unbox it with you. So if you know, then you know that I've been on this healthier lifestyle journey since the new year, and I've been really dedicated, really on it. But the most important thing to my healthier lifestyle is drinking more water. Like, I cut out drinking sodas primarily. Like, literally, I would drink a Sprite, more than one Sprite all day, every day, and would barely drink any water. So this year I've been more focused on drinking water. You know, I'm a little drinky drink from time to time, but my primary source of hydration is water. So this water bottle comes right on set. Okay, so let's unbox it together. I have not opened it, so we'll get to see it together. Y'all are on this journey with me, so let's go. So it comes with the little instruction manual, because it is a smart water bottle, so we got some instructions going on. It comes with a charger cable. So here is the bottle. There's a little charging port right there. You actually charge the lid. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the lid charging started. And I'm gonna wash it out and I'll be right back. We got this beauty clean. Just gonna put the charger in there. Oh. Hold on, let's see that again. And we also need to download the hydration app, and that's the part that's gonna be really, really key. This is how we're gonna be able to track our water intake. So the instructions come with the QR code. Gonna scan her. I'm gonna download it on the App Store because I have an iPhone. Welcome to WaterH. Improve your water consumption. Keep track of your hydration habits. Our app will guide you along the way. Complement your hydration journey with WaterH bottles and filtration kit. Oh, they got a filtration kit for the Stanley. Y'all know I love to carry my Stanley everywhere. Okay, so I set my picture, chose my username, iHeartCandyBoo, which is, you know, my social medias. Based on your profile, we recommend 116 ounces of water. Great day. I don't know how much I drink, but normally I refill my Stanley about 2 or 3 times. So I think I can do that. Okay, so yes, I want to pair a bottle. It's searching for the bottle. Found my bottle. Connects here. That's crazy. I'm pairing my phone to my water bottle. So is it asking me to touch the water bottle? Yep. And it's got a little screen. I'm gonna put some ice in first. Okay, so we got some ice in here. Now we're about to fill up with water. Put the top on. Ooh. And it's gonna pop open so I can take a sippy sip. We got the water bottle filled and ready to drink, so it should automatically change on the app. So let's see. I'm watching you, app. It changed, y'all. It said I'm at 2%. It changes real time, and like, I don't want to have to guess. I want to leave the guesswork out of knowing where I am as far as my goals and what I'm trying to achieve. So this smart water bottle is going to come in handy. WaterH Boost. So when you touch the bottle, it tells you the percentage you're at. Touch it again. It's going to tell you the battery percentage as well. So you can always keep track. Even if you can't necessarily see your phone at the time, you can always touch the screen and see your water intake. So with the app in the settings, you can add your shortcuts. You can change your push notifications. My go-to is going to be these hydration reminders. I want to set my reminder to drink water every 15 minutes. So my bottle will glow if I have not drank in the last 15 minutes. It'll light up. If I haven't drank, it'll pop up and I'll get a notification on my phone. It lets you connect it to your Apple Health. You can connect it to Fitbit. And you can also add friends on here, y'all. So if y'all have your WaterH bottle, so once you do that and you click that link down in my description box, you use that coupon code to save some money on your order, add me as a friend. My name on here is going to be I Heart Candy Boo. So you'll be able to search me up and add me as a friend, y'all. Now, I myself have had a lot of water bottles. I'm a water bottle type girl, but I've never had a water bottle like this before. A smart water bottle. I already know what my goals are, but it encourages me and basically cheers me on to make sure that I'm hitting and achieving my water intake goals. The app, the light reminder, because it has a light reminder as well. The percentage tracker, it's just genius. Chef's kiss, y'all. So there's really no excuses for dehydration this summer, fall, year round. Like, this water bottle is that girl. So if you want to level up your hydration game, then this bottle is for you. The link is going to be in my description box as well as a coupon code so you can save some money on your order. Thank you so much, WaterH, for sending me this cool smart bottle. Y'all put me in the game. So y'all already know that being girly isn't about just looking cute. That's effortless. It's about feeling good from the inside out and staying hydrated. That's a whole beauty hack by itself, because drinking water is gonna help get the skin together. You're gonna glow, have a natural glow. It's all about what you put into your body. Clear skin, more energy, better mood. Yes. So grab your cute bottle. They have different colors available. Pour up some water and let's sip pretty all summer long. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for your love and thank you for your support. And if no one else has told you that they loved you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart and my water bottle. Let's sip, 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 y'all. I love y'all and I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye. Cheers.
Change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it sure ain't love.